my channel. Today I'm back with another video. So yes, as you can see, I have this pretty look on my face. If you guys want to know how this look was achieved, make sure to watch this video to the end, and I assure you, you are going to enjoy this video. This is a very simple and like bad girl-ish look that I think it's very cute and adorable, so I decided to like do this tutorial of this look. This is a very simple look. So yes, and let's start the video.
Like a fire that burns so bright, I was day and you were night. Like a spark we were quick to ignite. And yeah, ask yourself, is it worth this fight? I love you so much sometimes, baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe. When I look in your eyes, I know I'm right here where I need to be. This could be the last time each other, but I wanted you to know that this ain't over. You're gonna pick you up, never too much. Carry these memories till we're older. Catch me falling down, need you here somehow. Catch me falling down. This ain't over. If it comes back, it's meant to be. How can I make you see? There will never be another you and me. This could be the last time that we see each other, but I wanted you to know that this ain't over. If you fall, I'll pick you up, never too much. Carry these memories till we're older. So let's try to rewind and turn back on this time. So let's try to rewind now. This ain't over. This ain't over. This ain't over. You know it. You know it. You know it. You know it. This ain't over. You know that I'll be waiting. When you come back, come back.